Hi guys, today from chapter 1 we are focusing on the butterfly valves, introduction to the butterfly valves, how the operation is done, their main applications and failure modes, and also the advantages and drawbacks of the butterfly valves are discussed here in this video. So first of all we will get an idea about the butterfly valves. So in this figure you are seeing a butterfly valve. Basically, butterfly valve is a sort of valve that is actuated with manually or automatically, and a rotary disc is available inside the valve, and it controls or regulates the flow or prevent the flow. So in this figure, a hand lever, hand wheel or motor is available for the operation of the disc. So in another cases also one of these components are available for operating the butterfly valve. So in this exploded view I will show you what are the main parts and their operation. This is the lever and it is connected with the stem, and it helps to open up or regulate or close up the butterfly valve, and also it is in between the body, and also the flow is sealing by this seat. Here in this figure, this is the seat, and also these are the bushes and the other nut and bolts that are used for installation process. So this is the butterfly valve symbol that can be seen in the pipe network diagrams. So we will move to the applications of butterfly valves. Mostly in cooling water towers and cooling water pipe networks and gas lines, pneumatic and air lines, these butterfly valves are very common, and also in slurry flows such as mud, on those kind of things, the butterfly valves are available. In fire hydrant plants also these butterfly valves are available. One major thing is these butterfly valves are capable of isolation and flow regulation. So both the features are available with butterfly valves. So most of the applications, because of that, the butterfly valves are available. And also these butterfly valves can be failed due to several reasons. That means it can occur some damages to the seat, and it can lead to several leakages from the butterfly valves, and also with the slurry flows and the temperature changes, with the pressure changes and the suspendable particles of the flow, the body can be lead to cavities, and also it may also lead to some portion of leakages from the butterfly valve. And also if the packing nuts are over tightened in a butterfly valve when the installation or repairing or maintenance, then it may lead to damages to the packing, and also it also lead to leakages from the butterfly valve. So if we move to the advantages and limitations, there are several identical advantages in butterfly valves. So if we move to them, the advantages, so those operation is very much quick. So by manually or automatically, the operation, the quick shutdown or quick open or regulation is very much quick, and also it is very much easy. The cost and the maintenance also very much easy with the low cost, and also the compact design is very much identical for the butterfly valves. For the flow isolation, that is why the butterfly valves are widely used, and also it is with the good flow regulation. The limitations are also there in butterfly valves. So if the butterfly valves are contributed for the purpose of throttling, it is limited for the low pressure systems. So for the high pressure systems, the throttling is not that much recommended, because in high pressure systems it can occur damages for the seat. And also, so it has some portion of contribution for the pressure drop through the butterfly valve, because even the butterfly valve is in fully open position, the disc is inside the valve, and also it is in between the flow, that is passing through the valve. So it make disturbances to the flow and makes pressure drops more than the other valves that are in fully open position. And also, poor sealing is another disadvantage in the butterfly valves. So those are the things we carry from the butterfly valves that we need to know: their mechanism, their applications, advantages and limitations. So hope you to meet again from another video like this from chapter 1. Thank you.